This is our 1940, 1950s era Sheldon lathe. We got this about a year and a half ago, and we've slowly been working on it. We typically use it for washers and small little internal brackets or fixtures, screw shortening, things like that. But it does have screw cutting capabilities. So you'll see here we have the gear change mechanisms. We got a high, low, A, B, and C, and then this is the final that you would line up with the pitch that you need. So we're going to be doing a project on this coming up this week for a friend, but before that I want to get this machine off of this cabinet, get rid of these old feet. We're going to make about inch risers, so we'll be making a left and a right ×2 because they use the same casting here for the front and for the back leg.